What's going on, guys? So today is Cinco de Mayo and we're gonna make some drinks. What are we making?
Spicy cucumber margaritas.
So spicy cucumber margaritas. We gotta get our drink on today. So what's first?
Okay, I will do this and you go juice
Okay.
it.
So we're gonna start with cucumbers?
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna juice these.
Alright, so we gotta juice the cucumbers first. Just drop them in.
Turn it on. Hold them. Yeah, you gotta turn it on, but hold that cup so it don't go flying.
It's like a lawnmower.
Shut down.
It's hella strong. They're like...
Shut down. We'll turn it on. Leave it on.
That filled up hella quick.
I know. If you guys have a juicer, that's so much easier than using a blender and straining it.
Don't get any ideas though.
For what?
I'm just kidding.
What?
I'm sorry.
Ew.
Alright, so
That's my juicer.
cucumber juice, or I'm gonna call it cucumber milk.
Ew.
Cucumber milk is done.
Okay. I hope these aren't super
So
hot.
we'll put this right up here.
I like a spicy margarita, lightly spicy. We'll see. I'm gonna only put a couple pieces in mine.
You got some Ramon Ayala on the back. Shout out to Ramon Ayala.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first.
What's next?
We have to do first.
Alright, so we got
Okay, we need
cucumber milk, cucumber juice, I'm kidding. Cucumber juice, got the jalapenos chopped.
You're gonna be my shaker today.
We got the shakers. And I got my cup ready. This cup is hella sick. Straight from Mexico.
Okay, so we are going to put some tequila. Are we gonna put?
I can do that.
Are we gonna do both of our drinks together? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That right.
Makes sense.
Okay.
We're gonna go with, you can use whatever tequila you want, but we're gonna use the Mexican version.
Are you gonna measure it? We're gonna do.
We're gonna measure.
Yeah, you're gonna measure it.
I ain't gonna
Just do
measure
two
it.
of those.
Two of these?
Yeah, because we're gonna put triple sec too. Oh shit.
Oops.
We haven't even started drinking yet.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, we have.
Oh, we should. We gotta take shots first.
Okay.
Alright.
Here, we'll use the other one and put this one in first.
I think that was 2 shots. What is this?
Triple sec. You're gonna
Okay.
use. Just put one of those.
Alright, so 1 triple sec.
2 ounces of triple sec. 4 ounces of tequila. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Okay.
What is next?
We are going to do 2 limes squeezed in there. And I got you a little cheater squeezer.
Get you one of these.
Okay, go ahead.
The limon juicer. Alright, so 2 limes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
And we're gonna do some agave in it, so you can do just one of these.
Alright, let's get this off the way. But we gotta take a shot first. I gotta take a shot. I can't work like this. Get another shot glass? Oh,
Here,
sorry,
just
okay.
do this and then put it in there.
What? Okay.
Like for you. Okay, that's for you, right?
That's for me?
Well, you're gonna pour it in
Yeah,
there.
go ahead.
Okay.
I'll drink you shot at the bottom.
Oh my god, it's not even cold or anything. Okay.
Alright. Cheers. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Oh, yeah. Ooh, okay.
Okay.
Where were we?
Damn, I don't even remember. Okay, agave.
Agave.
Here. We're gonna do 2 ounces since we're doing 2 servings.
So 2 of these?
No, 1. That's 2 ounces.
Agave.
Ooh, it's thick.
It's like honey.
I like a sweet margarita.
You want to put a little more in?
Yeah, we'll do like half.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna throw some jalapeno rounds in it. Let's do 3, because I don't know how hot they are.
3 jalapenos?
Yeah.
And where?
In the cup.
Damn. Alright, so we're gonna throw some of the diced up jalapenos in the mixing cup. So I'm gonna put this.
And we're gonna do some cucumbers.
So 1, 2. This might be a little spicy. 3.
Okay, that's
She got
it.
the cucumbers.
Alright, so
We're gonna close it.
this isn't your shaker cup, so
Let me shake it.
yeah. But you're gonna do it like the bartenders.
No, bartender. We're doing it like fucking mariachis today.
Oh, okay.
Not mariachis. What are those things called? Maracas.
Oh,
We're gonna shake it like maracas.
mariachis.
Who uses? I don't think mariachis don't use those.
Okay, I'm gonna go get
Oh
some
shit!
ice.
Almost open.
Oh
Okay, that's enough shaking.
Okay. I'm gonna guess.
I shake too much. Ooh, man.
Does it smell strong?
It smells strong.
For our drinks,
Oh.
I have to do this first.
I'll put this up here.
I want chamoy and tahini. I don't know what you want on yours. Just tahini?
Yeah, so we're gonna put chamoy, which is like, I don't know how to explain it, but
Is chamoy a fruit? It says fruity chamoy hot sauce.
I don't know, you know.
Do you
know
want chamoy or no?
Yeah, I want chamoy.
And get me the tahini.
Alright, so you gotta have tahini for sure. So we're gonna put the chamoy around the rim. So we're gonna put it around the rim so that way the tahini sticks. Tahini is like,
A mess.
yeah, you gotta have tahini with this. That's a must for sure. Alright, let me show the camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you guys a close up.
Yeah, bring Mary's up there.
So we got the chamoy, we got the tahini. We're gonna use that for the cup. We're gonna put the liquid around. It's a little sticky, so that way the tahini can sit around the rim. You know, so it's like having salt around the margarita. And I think my tacos are here. So the process is simple. Dip the rim, do that, and then you go over to the tahini, and you do that. And then you're gonna see what you get. I'm gonna go get my tacos. DoorDash out the door. That looks nice.
Thank you. Let me see if I can-
See, that's what the finished product should look like.
I don't have a cold.
See what I mean? So, we gonna get drunk tonight. We gonna get drunk tonight, for sure.
Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna put the ice back in. Where does the ice?
Alright, so we got the ice. Now we can fill it up.
Forget your cucumber milk.
I like a lot of ice in there. This,
Yeah.
top it up. Yeah.
So after you put that mixture in, we're gonna take that cucumber juice,
Cucumber milk.
cucumber milk, and we'll just top it off.
Ooh,
Oh my
that looks like some Incredible Hulk.
So if you don't want it to be this green, you can peel off the skin, but it's okay, whatever.
Shit, green.
Do you have a spoon?
No.
Here.
This is nice.
And then And you can put some cucumbers in it if you want to get fancy.
You want to be fancy? We're gonna be fancy.
You can put jalapenos. I'm good with the jalapenos.
You ain't put no jalapeno in there. Heck no. I'm gonna put a little
A cucumber on the.
Oh damn it!
That one's already
So
cut.
broken. Why you?
Here, just.
Here, look.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm gonna make mine look fancy. You know what I mean?
Oh, that looks nice. Okay, I need to do it.
I should have did it with the
Professional.
That's it.
That's it.
All right.
Alright, let's try.
We're gonna try it out.
Cheers.
Cheers. I can sip on this all day.
This is good.
Super refreshing. It just tastes healthy. It tastes too healthy.
That's good. It could probably use some more jalapenos. Those weren't too bad. Do you taste it? It's probably the perfect amount of heat. Otherwise, it's probably too much, huh?
It's really sweet. You get an aftertaste of the cucumber, and you get a little bit of spicy kickback from the jalapenos. But honestly, you probably could have added like 2 or 3 more jalapenos if you really want like some extra spice to it.
If you like the spice.
But to me, that agave definitely takes over, sweetens it up.
So good.
All the ice, it's definitely a refreshing drink for sure.
So good. I like it. We're gonna have to make a few more of these.
That's good.
Big old picture.
That's good.
Good job.
That was good. We're gonna make a few more, so now you know how to do it. I thought it was gonna be a lot more complicated than that, but jalapenos, cucumbers, tequila, all the other stuff, and you good. What's a good little summertime drink?
For sure. You guys are gonna have to make this and let us know how you guys like it. It's pretty good. I think you're gonna need round 2 already.
Yeah, I'm already almost done. Anything else?
Nope.
Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. What's going on, guys? So, second part of the video. The first part, we made some, what did we make?
Spicy cucumber margaritas.
Spicy cucumber margaritas for Cinco de Mayo. So we're gonna continue this video with some of, we're gonna do a little mukbang. So we got the food delivered. We got some birria tacos on Cinco de Mayo from a Mexican spot called Cinco de Mayo. So shout out to them because, I don't know, they came in clutch today. So we're gonna open it up.
Quesadilla tacos.
Oh, we got quesadilla tacos.
No, just birria tacos.
Alright, so got a whole bunch of salsa on deck. Y'all mess with the green salsa real heavily. That is my go-to right there for sure. I think that's it. So, throw that
It's just
oh man. Get out of here. We want the tacos, damn it. We don't want no. Let me take another drink. But go check that video out. Alright, so we got like a little plate, rice, beans, and then we got some of the quesadilla tacos. These look good. I can still feel the steam coming off the plate. And then we got a side of a couple more, and we got some more of the
consomme.
Consomme. We got a few more tacos here. This is just the tacos, so we're gonna get a whole lot of dunking action up in this video. For one, I'm starting to get buzzed. Dang. All right, 4 tacos. All right, let's dig right in. So I got. Let me rip this. Let me rip this apart. So we got some of the dipping sauce. So that's for the birria tacos there. All right, let's get some dunk action. Let's get some dunk action. Look at that. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Man, that taco just melted. Look at all that goodness just dripping. I'm gonna double dunk. I don't even care. That was so good. It's like a little spice that hits like the back of your throat, which is perfect. And I love refried beans. I mix it with my rice. I'm just gonna mix that up. Mix that up. Cheesy beans. You gotta get the side of rice and beans. I'm pretty sure that's an unwritten rule. Whatever Mexican restaurant you go to. Always gotta get an order of the rice and beans. Let's get another. We need to get some more dunk action. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see. It's just perfect. The meat is so tender. It's not over the top with the cheese, but it has just enough cheese. The perfect crunch. Like, they're not too crunchy. They have just a little light crunch. Just perfect. Super juicy and tender. But I'm gonna keep this video short. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.